How to enable or disable upscale digital zoom in camera on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the quick controls button. Then tap on settings. Now in camera settings, we then scroll down. And from here, tap on camera assistant. Next, go down. And in here, tap on advanced resolution options. After that, tap on upscale digital zoom. Tap on the upscale digital zoom to turn on or switch off. Here it says that if the resolution decreases due to zoom, upscale pitches back to the resolution you selected. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.